So this is me after a night of no sleep, dealing with jet lag, and dealing with a broken camera. So yeah, yesterday while I was taking amazing footage with my GoPro, it decides to just completely shut down, and now I can't turn it back on. I mean, I bought it just for this trip, and on the first day, kaput. So now I'm without a GoPro, but thankfully I still have this camera. So, I mean, I really wanted the hyper smooth stabilization and the really smooth footage, but I just, looks like it's not gonna happen unless I get this GoPro fixed. Does anyone have any tips on how to get your GoPro to turn on after I've like changed the batteries, I've charged all the batteries, I've taken out the SD card, I've tried restarting it, nothing is working. So please, someone help me. Otherwise, I had a good first night, for sure. Definitely. I'm just exhausted right now. I mean, this is the next morning and I got like maybe 1 hour of sleep. The rest of it, I was just up and stressing about this GoPro and just not feeling that sleepy. Yeah, this time difference is intense. 13 hours. What am I gonna do? Okay, well, I'm ready to start my day. I just took a shower in my very tiny bathroom right there. But it was nice. You know, this little Airbnb is really cute. It's small, but perfect for me. So, my plans for today, well, I spent basically all morning trying to get over my jet lag, and I'm still suffering right now. Right now it's like 4 p.m., but really it's 3 a.m. for me back at home. And I'm exhausted. But I'm about to go out to Shibuya to try to find a new GoPro or try to get this one fixed, so let's see what I can do about that. And then I'm meeting up with some friends in Shimokitazawa, so that's gonna be fun. Didn't really show you guys much of it last time, so hopefully this time I can give some good footage. Well, it has been a few crazy days. Honestly, I haven't had time to really vlog. I know I said I would show you guys around Shimokitazawa and even Shibuya, but you know what? I was just so stressed, and I mean, not having my GoPro, I just thought, well, I'm not going to be producing very good footage, so then I just didn't film anything. So, sorry about that. Anyway, update on the GoPro. I am gonna get a new one. So hopefully it'll be good, it'll work. I might seem like I'm very low energy these days, but honestly, I've been getting so little sleep. It's been really bad, this jet lag. I don't know what's wrong with me, and also being stressed and just dealing with a lot of stuff here. But you know what? It's only my 4th day now, and things are just gonna get better. Today I am in Ginza and it is a super sunny and hot day. It's probably like in the high 30s and I can't see a thing because it's so bright. But yeah, this is nice. There's no cars here, so you can just walk in the middle of the street. And we're just gonna go shopping and see the big Uniqlo, and it's right over there.